Hi folks, my name is Dr. David Leitner and welcome to Intro to Shakespeare, English 222. This is a short video overview of the interface and the course expectations and workload. Some text and dates may look different from your actual course to this video because I do plan on reusing this video, but somehow I have to make a new video every summer, so it doesn't seem to matter. But in theory, I could reuse this. So if the dates or some titles or some assignments look different, then don't be alarmed. The structure and the grading and everything will be the same. All right, so feel free to rewatch this video and take notes, but also know that I have a transcript along with this, so you don't have to take notes if you don't want to. So for this course, we're going to read 4 plays and a handful of sonnets. There are no materials that you're required to buy, but there are some good optional texts you can get from the bookstore. There's around 2 assignments every week on Mondays and Thursdays. Each play has a link to the text and a video, and I expect you to read the whole play and watch the whole video. But I do want you to watch the video first because that's going to give you a general overview of the play and the motivations and the characters, and then read the play so the different scenes and the characters make better sense. Now, for the links to the plays, which are, I do have them listed here, but they're also in the instructions, in the module instructions. You'll see there are line numbers, and the line numbers I want you to use are these FTLN line numbers. So if you were to quote this line, stir up the Athenian youth to merriments, you'd put in parentheses FTLN 0013, and that way we're all using the same text and the same line numbers. And by the way, if you buy the optional text, that also has the FTLN numbers in it, and the text is exactly the same punctuation, same words. So some Shakespeare texts are different. So that's why I like everyone to use these links. And if you want to supplement that with the paperbacks, they're very cheap, like $5, maybe even cheaper. Then I do recommend that. All right. So those are the texts I want you to use. Let's go back to the syllabus real quick here. In this page that you're looking at here, this is actually the syllabus page in Canvas. And if you're not used to Canvas, go ahead and click around and kind of familiarize yourself with it. But this is the syllabus with all of the policies, late policies, plagiarism, behavior policies. I won't read all of that here. Required habits of mind, course outcomes. So definitely read that carefully, and if you have questions, let me know on the course Q&A, or you can just email me. But at the bottom of this syllabus, it's kind of nice. They have a course summary here that has links to all of the instructions and all of the due dates, and you can see if you go through here, everything is Mondays and Thursdays, okay, before 1 p.m. Okay, so that is the syllabus. Other links you need to know about here on the side. There's a home page, which will be the first page you see as you come in to the course, and that has kind of links on how to use Canvas, links to the course Q&A, links to announcements. The other link in the left-hand side navigation bar here are the announcements, okay, and I usually send out a couple of those per week, kind of reminders and feedback on discussion boards and that kind of thing. And then you have the syllabus link, which again has the policies and the that kind of schedule I showed you earlier on the bottom. And the modules is really the way I've designed you to go through the course. Okay, so you kind of start with week 1 instructions, and you do everything that's on this page. You read all these links, and then you can hit next at the bottom. It takes you to the next, week 2 part 1, and then you go to week 2 part 2, and etc. But each one of these has a due date, so everything on this page is due on this day, which means do not start it on this day. Some people see this to do June 14th and mean, oh, I should start that on June 14th. No, that means it needs to be completed. All of that stuff needs to be completed by that day. So, the biggest tip I can give you for this course is look ahead. First of all, go through and read every assignment, check out every link, because all of this is available to you ahead of time. Okay, every assignment, every due date, every reading, every link, every video is there already. So go through and get a sense of the whole thing, just like if you're going on a trip, you might take a look at an overview of the GPS before you just look at where you have to take the next turn, okay? So look over the assignments for the entire course. Second huge tip is start the readings, start the assignments early, because you can always turn things in early. And so you can get as far ahead as you want in this course. And so finally, the other fun thing about Summer Shakespeare is that there are always productions in St. Louis and Bloomington. St. Louis has the Shakespeare in the Park, which is free, and Bloomington has the Illinois Shakespeare Festival, which is not free, but which is also very nice. So, and I do change my plays according to what is being shown at those venues. So, guys, welcome to the course. I'm really looking forward to this term, and please email me if you have any questions or concerns. Good luck.